Hi, this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. In April, we're going to start a new batch on Talend ETL tool with the Snowflake with AWS. The new batch is going to start from 6th April 2026. The class timings morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. The trainer is Mr. Venkat. So for more detail, for the more details, you can reach out this number. You can reach out this website for the course content and all is available in this website. Uh, so so in this batch, what we're going to cover means we're going to teach about SQL, Talend, Snowflake, and AWS. So the highlights of this training institute, we're going to provide interactive online classes. After class is done, we'll provide you recording video. So along with real-time scenarios and with lab exercises and all, we're going to teach it. After along with we're providing the materials, we're going to explain project real-time project explanation. After classes are done, we're going to explain resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarifications, interview questions and answers we're explaining. These are the highlights of this training institute. This is a very easy technology to learn in the market. Talend ETL tool. If you go for this tool, it is not required coding, just a graphical user interface. Simply, we can drag and drop the components, and we can build the jobs. So it's easy to start your IT career with good packages. Okay, so for more details, reach out this number. Thank you. Thank you.